Hello there again. Today I will tell you how to create the perfect bio for your Instagram page and how to attract more followers and customers to your page. First of all, I will shortly describe the strategy and then we will jump to my laptop to show you some examples. I have analyzed some pages, I have taken courses, I have read books and watched some YouTube videos, and I know now what works and what doesn't. So about the bio, I know that it's really important, and when I had a bad bio on my Instagram page, I wasn't doing that well. But when I changed my bio and actually modified it, then I managed to get more followers and later on more customers. First of all, in your bio, put your best credentials and tell something about your page and what makes it special. Or if you are a personal brand, write something that makes you special. For example, if you are on fitness niche, then write something about the results you already have. Or if you don't have results, write something like my journey to six-pack. And then share your journey with your fans and followers. That is actually called credibility statement, which means what you are good at, what you have done, and what you have accomplished, or where are you going right now. After you find all these, you should combine them with the 3P statement. The 3P statement stands for person, problem, promise. And I'm really sure that you haven't heard about it only if you have bought a course or maybe you have bought a coaching call with someone who is already an expert. And that is because people who are huge on Instagram don't share this stuff for free. So pay close attention and make sure that you are taking notes. Now, the 3P statement. The first P, which stands for person, it's actually the person that you are targeting. Which audience you are targeting? Is the audience that you are targeting ambitious, into entrepreneurship, or maybe into fitness or music? Next up, we have the problem. The problem is something that your audience have. Do they have a problem with their diet in the fitness niche? Maybe they have a problem with money, or they don't know how to grow their Instagram page and they want to make money with it. You are there for them to solve their problem. And that's where the next and the last statement comes, which is promise. The promise is how you can help them achieve what they want, how you can help them solve their problem. Now, this strategy may sound easy to you, but it's not that simple to do. I will tell you an example of the 3P statement and then we will jump into my laptop to show you some example of other pages. So let's say that you are in the fitness niche and you are a fitness coach who wants to sell his app workout. Now you will have to combine the first things we mentioned with the 3P statement. First of all, you write what is the person that you are targeting, what is the audience that you are targeting. Obviously, the audience that you are targeting are people into fitness. So write something like the best page for fitness lovers or something like that. And that actually covers the person, the audience that you are targeting, and what is the page about. Next up, we have the problem, which we will combine it with the promise in this example. So you can write something like helping you get the six-pack of your dreams. And after that, you write something that you have achieved, like lost 50 pounds in 3 weeks. So now you have combined all these stuff that we talked about and you have created the perfect bio for more followers and more clients that want to buy your abs workout. Now let's get into my laptop and I will show you more examples. So here we are on my laptop and I will show you 3 examples of pages that are using this strategy on my niche, which is business/motivation. But this strategy applies in every other niche, even if it's cooking, fishing, hunting, traveling, whatever it is. So first of all, this page has a CTA, which is call to action, even if you have to sell something or to lead people to your YouTube channel, website, or maybe just follow you. Next up, he says personally mentored by Nicolas Pere and more. So this is like a credential for him. He is mentored by big people who have done more things. So this is his skill. He knows many stuff that he can teach you. Next up, I help people replace their job with an IGBs. So this hashtag helps a lot for him to get more exposure. If you want, you can use the hashtag on your bio to help you as well. And this I help people replace their job with an IGBs is actually the problem, which is their job 9 to 5, and his promise is that he helped the people to replace their job with an IG business. So as you can see, he has actually a good bio that is attractive, it gets more people, gets attention, and that actually gets more clients. Next up, we have another page which we can see first of all 8-figure earner. It is his credentials, what he's good at. He earns a lot of money. I help people leave their 9 to 5s and create wildly profitable online offers. This is how he can help with the other people's problems, his audience's problems. He has problem and promise together, like we told. Now DM me ready to learn, which is a call to action, and then another call to action, how I went from 0 to 7 figures in 12 months, which is what we told, how I lost 50 pounds in 3 weeks. This is a similar example, and we know that he has motivation and entrepreneurship content here, of course. Now, next up, another page. First of all, number source of business tips. This is what his Instagram is about. And get 10x out of your life. It's something like a quote, which is motivation, and he tells us about his page. And then road to educate 1 million, which is again, like we told, if you don't have a skill, then put road to building a six-pack or to building wealth, or here road to educate 1 million. And again, he's using 2 hashtags here to help him get more exposure. Now, these were 3 simple examples of that strategy that you can also use and implement to your page, to your Instagram page. I hope you took notes of this strategy and you are going to implement it as well. So that was the video. If I delivered some value to you, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to help me as well. Also, if you have any questions about this strategy or anything else, let me know in the comments below. Thank you a lot for watching, and until the next time, see ya.